something happens. Something also happens between the book of Malachi and the book of Matthew. There in between, something also happens. Jesus Christ, who is the King of Kings, is born. And when that happens, you no longer need to trek or to find or to be among an Israelite or among a Levite or in the precincts of the tabernacle for you to access God. Once you jump to the New Testament, the affair of accessing God becomes a remote affair, not a fixed location affair. So, which means you no longer need to be an Israelite for you to access the God of Israel as portrayed in the Old Testament. Because now we have Jesus Christ. And for you to access Jesus Christ, that access becomes a remote affair. You can access Jesus Christ in anywhere around the world, whether it is Americas, Asia, Africa, Europe, anywhere or not. But before it could have been a difficult affair. Okay, now it becomes possible. Now, as we look at the book of Exodus, we get to see a new chapter where God reveals himself and through Moses. And we get to see that process which leads to the tabernacle. And the whole story follows like that. So now let's look at the book of Exodus. And let's look at God playing around with a Pharaoh, a king of Egypt, just as portrayed in Proverbs chapter 21, which says, in its literal sense, the heart of kings is in the hands of God, and he plays around with it however he likes, like rivers flowing through, like water flowing through a river, one way or another.